Are you a passive income enthusiast looking for the perfect furry companion? Welcome to the intersection of dog breeds and passive income opportunities. Today, we're stepping into the fascinating world where the love for dogs meets the pursuit of financial freedom. We'll be exploring an interesting blend of top dog breeds that not only offer loyal companionship, but also present opportunities for boosting your passive income. From the low-maintenance Labradoodle to the resilient Saint Bernard, the problem-solving Border Collie, the rewarding Bichon Frise, and the consistent and loyal Golden Retriever. Each breed has unique characteristics that can enhance your lifestyle and potentially increase your income, making them the perfect companions for passive income enthusiasts like you. So, are you ready to uncover the top dog breeds that could potentially boost your income? Let's dive in. First on our list is the Labradoodle, a low-maintenance breed that parallels the ease of passive income. Renowned for its friendly disposition and hypoallergenic coat, the Labradoodle is much like a well-structured passive income stream. It's designed to bring joy and value to your life without demanding constant attention. Labradoodles are known for their intelligence and adaptability, traits that make them easy to train and live with. They're not overly dependent, yet they offer great companionship, much like the balance one seeks in a passive income venture. You don't need to invest an overwhelming amount of time or energy, but the return is undeniably rewarding. The Labradoodle's low-shedding coat also means less time spent cleaning up and more time enjoying the companionship of this lovable breed. So, if you're looking for a companion that requires less work but offers great rewards, the Labradoodle might just be your perfect match. Next we have the Saint Bernard, a breed known for its resilience, much like a well-planned financial strategy. The Saint Bernard is a powerful and sturdy breed capable of weathering harsh conditions. They have a history of being rescue dogs in the Swiss Alps, often braving severe weather conditions to save lives. This resilience mirrors a robust financial strategy that can withstand market fluctuations and unexpected life events. Just like this remarkable dog breed, managing passive income streams requires resilience. It's about having the fortitude to stay the course, even when the going gets tough. It's about being consistent and reliable, just like our furry friend, the Saint Bernard. Resilience in finance means having a diversified portfolio that can weather the storms of economic downturns. It's about being prepared and having a contingency plan, much like a Saint Bernard ready for rescue. If you appreciate resilience and a steady presence, the Saint Bernard is a dog breed you might want to consider. Moving forward, let's talk about the Border Collie, a breed known for its problem-solving skills, a trait every passive income enthusiast can appreciate. Border Collies are renowned for their intelligence and agility. They are quick learners, highly trainable, and adept at overcoming obstacles, much like the mindset needed for passive income generation. These dogs are problem solvers, often figuring out complex tasks with little human intervention. They thrive on challenges and love to keep their minds active. This mirrors the passive income journey, where one needs to come up with innovative solutions and adapt to changing market conditions. Just as a Border Collie uses its intellect and problem-solving skills to herd flocks, a passive income enthusiast needs to strategize, plan, and use their problem-solving skills to maximize their income streams. A Border Collie might just be the furry companion that keeps you on your toes and inspires you to keep refining your income strategies. Now that we've walked through some of the top dog breeds for passive income enthusiasts, it's time to wrap things up. We've journeyed through the world of the low-maintenance Labradoodle, the resilient Saint Bernard, the problem-solving Border Collie, the rewarding Bichon Frise, and the consistently loyal Golden Retriever. Each breed, with its unique traits, has shown us that they can enhance our lives in more ways than one. These furry friends not only provide us with companionship, but also embody characteristics that can inspire us in our pursuit of financial freedom. Whether it's the resilience of the Saint Bernard, the problem-solving skills of the Border Collie, or the loyalty of the Golden Retriever, each of these breeds has a lesson to offer. So as we seek to boost our income and enjoy the company of a loyal pet, let's consider these breeds. Remember, the perfect dog breed can not only provide companionship, but also inspire your journey towards financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.